Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. I've got these. Basically, they're for right here on the vehicle, right there in like the door area. I can't think of what it's called. Whatever, the rocker, the door jamb, whatever. What this is extra protection. Especially if you stand on the side of your vehicle to put things up on the roof, or you just say you have work boots and you're getting in and out of the truck a lot. So this is by Zeek Zoop or Zek Zoop. It's ZEKZOOP, and they make these, and they're very heavy duty and look really kind of rugged and good. And I'm going to show you how to install these and show you the protection that they give your vehicle. So let's get at it. Okay, so let me show you where these go right here. So this piece, as you can see, it's going to go right here, and this piece, if you can see that, it's made to go over this, just like that. And it will only, and it's kind of beveled, so it will go over this piece right here that is put on by Toyota, but it gives you a little more coverage and protection of the paint right there. And then in the front, you've got this piece that goes right here. It's pretty self-explanatory how it goes on. And then you've got this piece right here, which goes, and like I said, this one, it's beveled, so it fits over the one that's there, but it gives you more protection. So this has a, so they have a lot of tape on here. So you need to clean the surface with some 90% rubbing alcohol, and then clean it real good, and then it'll stick right down. Now, these are made to give you extra protection when standing on your vehicle, getting in and out with work boots and stuff like that. It just preserves the vehicle. But let me tell you something I've discovered. A lot of people have these all-weather mats that kind of overlap on the edges and keep everything, so if you get water in there, it pools and nothing runs over the mat. These will not work with those all-weather mats that are designed to go up and over everything. And these are door sill protection. That's the word I was looking for earlier. These really protect the door sills. But when you have those all-weather mats, they're going to have to go over this, and it's thicker. These are really designed for factory mats. So the factory mats just sit on the carpet. These are perfect for that. If you have the factory mats and you like them, these will work great. But I wanted to let you know that. These are made of the same stuff, I think, that the all-weather mats are made of. And it's really heavy duty. I really like this. I like this rubber. Doesn't smell. It's got really good tape on it. I mean, these aren't coming off once you put them on. You could remove them if you needed to, but they're not going to just flip off when you're getting in and out of your vehicle. Just wanted to let you know that. So let's go ahead and get these installed and cleaned up. Remember, you gotta prep the surface. They give you like a whole pile of alcohol wipes. I have some in a spray bottle. I'm going to use that, clean it up real good, put these in, and then show you what they look like when they're finished. Like I said, for this type of stuff, I always use like a 70 to 90%. 90% is better alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and I just have it in a spray bottle for if you're doing the emblem overlays or stickers or anything like that on your car, new fender flares, whatever. You got to prep it really good. You can also get adhesive promoter that 3M makes, and it'll even make it stick better. It really preps the surface. But you have to be careful if you're using it on the paint of your vehicle, because it could damage the paint if you're not careful. And again, even though it's cooler out here, I'm getting bit by mosquitoes. So I'm using my trusty EcoSmart mosquito fogger. This stuff works great. It'll keep me from getting bitten. Smells good too. This tool right here is also very helpful when using that double stick tape that they put on these, on a lot of things for automotive applications. Just a roller like this. I just use it to press down the tape really good. Again, you're going to have to really make sure that any of the plastic parts inside your vehicle that this sticks to is really clean. You also want to make sure it's warmer outside. I'd say 70 degrees plus. That 3M double stick tape adheres better in warm temperatures. Then roll it down or press it down really good, and it should work great for you. I can see where these would be helpful if you use work boots all the time, and it kind of gives it a more rugged look. I like these. So let me show you a close up of them. Okay, let's take a look here. You can see this piece and this piece. You can see the extra coverage they give. And like I said, I had to take my all-weather mats out. These are for factory mats. Let's look at the front. There you go. Look at those. That's pretty cool. Like I said, these work with factory style mats that go on the carpet. Yeah, look at that. It's kind of a cool look. And the material they use is like the all-weather mats, so it's a really nice material. So again, let me reiterate. These work with OE all-weather mats like Toyota gives you. And it's kind of neat. I mean, you could give these a try. I really like the material. The quality is really great. Zek Zoop does a great job. So I hope you like my little install video of these door sill, kind of extra beefy, extra rugged door sill protectors. Make sure you treat the surface really well. Make sure you install them in warm temperatures. And I could see where these would be very useful. So check out their stuff that they sell at Zig Zoop. They sell all kinds of stuff, all kinds of different things for 4Runners and Tacomas, and other vehicles, I'm sure. So and you can see those. So check it out. That's all I got. Company sent me these, and I thought I'd do a little demo, like how to install them. And like I said, prep the surface really good. Warm temperatures outside for application, and you should be fine. And that's what I got for you for this video. So check them out, and I'll put links under the video in the description. As always, lots of links under the video in description, especially this one to this company, to their page and everything. So that's all I got for you. See you later. See you.